A mock lobster salad. It's a lobster salad that contains no lobster. Could this be possible? Let's find out. I'm ready for a mock recipe.
I'm ready for a mock recipe.
Are you mocking me?
I sure am.
It's mock recipe time. For this recipe, I'm gonna need to chop a green pepper and a few stalks of celery. Hi! Grab a mock plate. I need 2 sleeves of crackers that I'll be crushing up a bit. It's okay to have different sized pieces. Pepper and celery. 2 hard-boiled eggs crushed inside. A cup of mayonnaise. And 2 cups of tomato juice or V8 juice. Then you mix that together. I must say that it does smell like seafood and it does look like tuna. But lobster salad, let's try. I definitely feel seafood when I eat it. And really, I don't even like seafood. But I can handle this salad. Very unique. I haven't seen my pet lobster in months. I'm afraid it's a lost cause. To see more mock recipes, check out the playlist in my description.